Alaska Ace at 5:04 na natitira. Sa pangalawa, rebound, Denzel Bowles. This is Denzel Bowles' lowest output.
Sa bihira natin makakita na, fourth quarter na tayo, 4 minutes na, 50 seconds left, and then Denzel Bowles only with 5 points.
Makes his move in the lane. The jumper. Biglang pumasok, but it bounces out. Pupunta sa linya para sa dalawang free throw. Ito si Denzel Bowles. This might be what the doctor ordered para naman makuha niya yung shooting touch niya. Timeout, Sunmig Coffee Mixers. They're trailing by 3. We'll be back. Hindi pa natatalo. 61-58, 4:47 remaining. Could this be the breakthrough game? Sunmig, and what a time for it to come if ever it happens, Eric.
Especially, we're here at the semifinals already, so malaking bagay actually in the playoff. Napakalaking bagay na rin ang manalo na ngayon, si Coach Luigi Trillo.
It's another Fresco Fresh Face brought to you by Rainer Shine Fresco, the first and only odorless antibacterial and 100% elastomeric paint. Enjoying the action. Lots of fresh faces, 1 out of 2 from the line. Para kay Denzel Bowles, gives him 6 points in the game. Pero lamang pa rin ang kalaban. Alaska 61, Sunmig 59. Bonbon. Step back. Don Ontiveros.
Ang favorite move yun ni Don Ontiveros is actually deadly anytime, because even if he's struggling in the field early, alam mo naman na veteran si Don na he can produce those points, those key points in the stretch.
Okay, sa apat ang lamang. Bowles once again pull back. It rolls out. Devant fighting for it. Pinglish as well. Abueva gets it. Natawagan ng rebound ng foul. Itong Sunmig Coffee on that rebound play. And Abueva
shaken up right there. Pero kita mo naman, he was sandwiched between